Why are you sitting outside? Why it's cold? Why it's cold like this, my brother Sylvester?
It's hard, my sister. I'm scared kupinda mumba isinashinda puma.
Waita say, kaswara samari.
No, sha, nambura samari. It's just that Dad is saying, why are the people not subscribing to our channel? You know, being an orphan is hard. You be blamed for everything.
Eish, pakaipa. Apa last week wakaroweronzi why wanditi Daddy. So waudzere my viewers kuti wabai subscribe.
No, I didn't. Maybe they won't listen to me.
No, Sylvester, mafans ndeako apo ende vanokuteerera. Maybe ukawaudza vanokwanisa kuteerera.
Viewers, please like and subscribe. Ngarowe mbamu.
Viewers, please like and share for the sake of Sylvester.
I beg you guys, please like and subscribe. Pamindukende school.